Hi, welcome back to Creative Misa. Today we are going to make Andhra style Gongura Pachadi. Let's get started. Here I have taken one bunch of fresh Gongura leaves which I have washed and had dried the previous night. A small piece of asafoetida, 20 to 30 dried red chilies, 3 tablespoons of coriander seeds, some jeera and some fenugreek seeds, salt as required. First we will saute the gongura leaves and then we will add the tempering. So for that I have taken 1 tablespoon of urad dal, 1 tablespoon of sambar dal, 20 garlic, some curry leaves and oil as required. 2 tablespoons of oil and saute the ingredients one by one as shown here. Add the required salt and grind it to a coarse powder. Now let's saute the gongura leaves. Initially it will look a lot, but after a few minutes of sauteing, it will mash up. Add salt as required. Add the grinded masala and mix well. After it cools down, grind it into a pulp. Now it's tempering time. Add generous amount of oil, around 7 to 8 tablespoons of oil. Add the mixture and mix well. Now, Gongura Pachadi is ready. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.